Ever juggle finances like a circus act? Open a Tide account and stop the show. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about a struggle familiar to most entrepreneurs, the financial juggling act. You've got your personal bank account, maybe a business credit card, a shoebox full of receipts. It's a chaotic mess, and it's costing you valuable time and peace of mind. Sound familiar? Well, fear not, fellow hustlers. There's a way to streamline your finances and free yourself up to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Enter Tide, the business banking solution built specifically for entrepreneurs like you and me. It's a game changer, offering a bunch of features that make managing your finances a breeze. But before we dive into that amazing world, let's answer a crucial question. What do you actually need to open a Tide bank account? Great question. Now, because Tide caters specifically to businesses, there are a few things you'll need to have in order to get started. But don't worry, it's nothing crazy complicated. Here's a breakdown. 1. The business essentials. Registered business, this is the big one. Tide accounts are for entrepreneurs, so you'll need to have a registered business structure. This could be a limited company, a sole trader, or a freelancer, anything that establishes you as a separate entity from your personal finances. UK resident, Tide operates in the UK, so you'll need to have a valid UK residential address. UK App Store access, the application process is done entirely through the Tide mobile app, so you'll need a device that can access the UK App Store or Google Play. Now, depending on your specific business structure, you might need a few additional things. Limited company directors, if you're running a limited company, you'll need to be a registered director with Companies House. Don't worry if you haven't gotten around to that yet, Tide can actually help you register your company for a small fee. HMRC registration, for sole traders and freelancers, you'll need to be registered with Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, HMRC, to officially declare yourself self-employed. It's a quick and easy process you can do online. 2. The verification game. Once you've got the business side of things squared away, you'll need to verify your identity through the Tide app. This is a standard security measure, and it's pretty painless. Here's what you'll need. Valid photo ID, this could be your passport or driver's license. Clear selfie, yep, you gotta put a face to the name. See? Nothing too outrageous, right? Now, there's one last thing to keep in mind. While Tide welcomes most businesses with open arms, they do have some limitations to manage risk. For example, they might not be able to accept businesses that rely heavily on donations or operate in certain industries. But for the vast majority of entrepreneurs, opening a Tide account is a straightforward process. So, with that said, thanks for watching. If you're tired of the financial juggling act, head over to Tide's website or download the app and see if it's the right fit for your business. Until next time, happy hustling.